welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for your own easy mortgage business. All right, I'm gonna show you the new marketing system. I'm gonna show you how to set up and connect your domain name to your done for you websites. All right, it's a sales funnel. It makes it easy for you to get clients, and you can do less talking because your funnel is going to talk for you. So let's get right to it. All right, so basically, anytime I sign up for anything new, the first thing I do is I log into the back office. I get familiar with all these features. If you look right over here, get familiar with all this stuff. These are the tools that are going to help you get more clients and make more money. All right, but the first thing everybody's going to ask is, how do I connect the sales funnel? So you want to click sites right here. This is where all your websites are located. All right, so let's talk about the credit website first. All right, if you want to connect your mortgage business first, or let's talk about let's talk about the credit website first. So you click on it, and as you can see, something is already right here. It's done for you, right? And what I did was I simply clicked edit, right? Click on edit because I wanted to see what it looked like, what I could do, all of that. You don't want to mess it up. You just want to click edit, browse it. So I did that, and then I went back, right? You can also click on this link right here. You click and select this link right here, and then you could click copy, Control C, and then you click on a web browser, then Control V, and then just paste if you want to look at it to see what other people are going to see. If you want to look at the video, you just click play. So that's what your people are going to see. But let's get back to the going back into the dashboard. So this is how, right here, I'm about to pay attention, take notes, watch it, and then rewind it and watch it again. But right now, I'm about to show you how to connect your own domain. So if you went to GoDaddy or Nameplace, or if you went somewhere and you already have a domain, you want to click on settings. So let's just start over one more time. You click sites. Okay. So again, you click sites, that's step 1. You click the site you want to edit, that's step 2. And then step 3, click settings. When you click on settings, right here, mine has a domain already here, right? Because I've done the work already. But what you would do is click on add domains. So you click add. And what I did was I clicked on add, and I just typed the name of my domain. Let me see, can I do it now? So let's see what else. You would type a domain. So I got one called KatinaWillis.com. Now this is just a test. I'm not going to even complete this, but you will say continue. It's going to say finish setting up your domain. So now it's searching online to see where your domain is. Mine is at GoDaddy. So right now you would click authorize domain. I'm not going to do that because that's not what I'm trying to do. But you would click authorize domain. Then it would have you to log into your GoDaddy site. So you would go to GoDaddy.com. You would log in, and then you would continue from there. I don't want to mess up where mine is located, so I am just going to cancel this. But it's really that simple. That's all you do. I am going to record a part 2 for this. Well, you know what? Actually, I'm going to see if I can do it right now, because again, we have a few different websites in here. So let me just, I'm going to start over again. So that's good. You don't have to go back, rewind, and watch it again. I am going to click on, let's see what this realtor funnel looks like. I haven't even looked at that. So let's click realtor funnel. All right, so I'm just gonna let me start one more time. Sites, Realtor Funnel. I'm going to click Settings. It says Add a Domain. I am going to choose, oh my God, I don't have a domain I want to add. But, all right, let's click Add a Domain. I'm going to click Add. Let me go to GoDaddy because I do have a bunch of domains. I'm sure there's something I could add in here. So I'm just going to choose this domain I have here, getme100.com, because I don't really use it for anything. So let's just go back. Let's just go back. Let me save this video since it's complete. You see that I'm always multitasking. So I'm going to type getme100.com. That's the domain I am going to choose for this realtor website. You see it says setting up your domain. Let it do its thing, then click authorize domain. And now you see right here it's connecting to GoDaddy. So I'm going to simply click connect. Connect. And then you got to click on close. Now, the reason I know you got to click close because I had did one of the other domains and it was taking so long. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to do on the other end, or it kept logging me out right here. So this is what you want to see. You want to see the authorizing. You want to see it go right back to your dashboard. So that's what it's doing. So while we're waiting on that, if you are not a part yet of Own Easy and you don't have your mortgage business from home, you can click on the link below and you can become a mortgage loan officer with me. And again, as you can see, this mortgage loan business, it is, there's a lot of moving parts to it, which is good for us who want to make multiple streams of income and make residual income in our sleep. So it's really good for us. I will put the link below. And even if you just want to become a credit business advocate, you can do that too, or a home buying advocate. So I will put those links below. And then, yes, you can get this funnel once you do that. So let's get back. Okay. So you see right here it says, yay, domain getme100.com. Added successfully. So now you click on this drop down and you tell it where to go. So I'm going to say Realtor Funnel, even though I don't even know how it looks yet. And I'm just going to click on. Now, let me tell you, with the other funnels, it would say step 1 and step 2. So I'm just going to say opt in. And this looks like it's to collect leads from realtors so you can call them or email them later. So I'm going to just click link domain. And I can change it later. So that's it. That is how you connect your domain name to your sales funnel for your Own Easy mortgage business. Please post any questions or comments you have in the comment section below. I'm Katina. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to put another video right here too. And it'll be more details about either how you can become a home buying advocate, a credit advocate, or a mortgage loan officer from home. Thanks for watching and take care. See you soon.